So we're gonna make the MezcAperol Spritz, and this is one that, like I said, I came up with, but it's a twist on a classic cocktail called the MezcAperol Spritz, or the Aperol Spritz, and I feel like spritzes are coming back right now. They're pretty popular. So
they're good in the warm weather, especially. Too.
Yeah, great in the warm weather. It's a great summertime cocktail. So I'm a parent, and so I keep liquor
What's a parent?
I'm apparently a parent. So I keep my liquor when I'm traveling sometimes in adorable little jars like this one with a smiley face on it. So take that for whatever you like. I'm going to make enough for two so Joey and I can do an adorable cheers at the end. So for one of these guys, you're going to want 1 ounce of your favorite mezcal. It doesn't have to be super high end because you're going to be mixing it, but I went with U-Ball. It was a gift from a guy named my friend Brian. Shout out to Brian. So we're gonna mix everything together, and then we're gonna top it with the sparkling wine. So mix everything together in the mixing glass. 1 ounce of that. The Aperol could probably come next, and it's 1/2 ounce of this guy. Aperol is one of those things that you can kind of call bartending ketchup if you want. It's such a delicious flavor on its own that I only poured enough for one, but such a delicious flavor on its own that whatever you mix it with is going to be pretty good. So bam, those 2 ingredients, and then this.
Does that mean Campari is like sriracha?
Yeah, I would agree with that assessment. You have to be a little more delicate with Campari because it's like pretty strong Italian flavor. Aperol is a little more mild Italian flavor. And this little travel jar is the Curacao that I smoked at home in the ice bath with just under a metal bowl. So that's gonna be 1/4 ounce of that for 1. So I'm making 2. So it's basically 1 part mezcal, 1/2 part Aperol, 1/4 part smoked Curacao. And then we're gonna get in there with some grapefruit and 1/4 ounce of that to make 1. So I'm doubling that. Don't have to worry about straining it unless you get like a seed in there or anything. But maybe we'll strain it just to be
If
fancy.
you need it. I've got all the strainers you need.
Don't strain yourself. Right there. Sorry. Closer.
Keep that there.
So for 2 full ounce.
Just do it in the...
Bam.
There you go.
There's a little leftover for our next cocktail.
Lovely.
Alright. Magic. Bam.
Oh.
And then the last part before we put it on ice and everything is it's going to be on the official ingredient recipe list at work. I just wrote a little splash of simple and lemon, so we don't have to measure. It's just that's about a splash, 2 splashes because we're making 2.
Yeah.
And the simple in a different adorable jar.
Yeah.
Another 2 splashes. Shazam. Alright, so you don't have to cut it by shaking it or stirring it too much. So we're just going to put it over ice and top it with the sparkling Prosecco, sparkling wine. Alright, so a little happy there. A little happy there.
You ran out of stuff on the other night.
Even it out. Alright. Top it with some sparkling. Bucket glass works the best. Collins glass works the best. So about, for this recipe, 10 ounce glass of whatever you're choosing.
Yeah.
Little rosemary garnish, just for fun. Rosemary garnish. All right, you ready to cheers, Joey?
Yeah, that's beautiful.
Bam.
Cheers. Cheers.
Tastes like a summer day
That's delicious.
with your buds.
That's quite delicious.
Yep.
Yeah.